So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank on Google Ads. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how you can make money with affiliate marketing, straight to the point. No bullshit. I just give you exactly my literally my learnings, my case studies. I show you at the end of the video as well, like how much money I made. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Ads with affiliate marketing offers and start making money. So if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So again, in my previous video, I showed you how you can make Microsoft ads and start making money. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Google ads and start making money. The product I'm promoting is Sonavel. Again, I've already promoted this product. I've already made the money. This product is saturated. But again, if you go on Clickbank, there are similar offers as well for the similar product. Okay. So you can promote this product as well, again in a similar way. So again I've created a landing page. Creating a landing page is really easy. I've used system.io. It's again a free landing page builder. Again, it's using paint. Okay, literally like paint. Okay, put this drag box, put this button. Let's say for example this is button. Same way it's over here. Like literally if I want to add a button or add a text, I can just post it over here again and just type anything. It's simple. Okay, it's not complicated. Again, it's using paint. So again, I've created this landing page. Again, I don't focus on tools. Again, you can use different tools. Sometimes I use ClickFunnels, sometimes I use Builderall, sometimes I use WordPress. Again, I use different tools. So don't focus on the tools, just focus on getting from point A to point B. So I have created a landing page, and again for Google you need a landing page, plus there are a lot of other benefits for a landing page. You can put your pixels, you can retarget them, you can find similar audience, and again a lot more can be done. So again this was the product which I was promoting, and then again I'll show you how you can create ads. Literally takes me 2 minutes. Just go over here, new campaign. I would do website traffic. Again, I'll just do continue. I would do search. I wouldn't go for performance bank. This is something new which Google is working on. I would write reviews. Okay. Continue. Again, make sure you're abiding with the rules of the product. Just check the terms and conditions. Some products don't allow brand bidding or like even reviews and everything. No worries if they don't allow. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can run generic keywords and make money as well. So that's it. So now you created your campaign. Again, just go on Google Ads. Let me show you again this card. Click on campaigns, click over here, new campaign. Go to website traffic, continue, search. Okay, Sonavel reviews. You can write date as well. So sometimes I write 16th October or whatever you want. For me, this is like a test. Continue. I would do on clicks. Set maximum clicks, or I would do clicks, and then again I'll just go on keyword planner. Okay, and then what I would do is discover, or maybe just search over here, get started, and check how much are they bidding. It's not showing over here. Keyword ideas. Okay, keyword plan. Something is, go back over here, search keywords, start with keywords. Sonavel reviews. I would do United States, or tier worldwide. I would do United States. Okay, target, save. Again, it's showing around $3.90. Again, similar thing was shown in Microsoft ads as well. So yeah, so you know the bid is like this. So I would say the maximum bid I want to keep is, again depending on your budget, but again if you're not the first, you're the last, so I would always suggest keeping 3.90. That's the top of the page bid. Again, your ad copy also matters, your landing page also matters, your ad quality score, but we are going to discuss about that later. Again, next I would remove display. I would select location option. I would select all the tier 1 countries, which is United States, Okay, then United Kingdom, Canada, then New Zealand, Australia, okay, then Ireland. Okay, so these are tier 1 countries. Okay, select this. Okay, English, more settings, don't have to bother this, don't have to bother all of these things. Okay, next. Okay, now for me, this would be my ad group name, so I would say well ad group. Okay, one. And then the keywords, how do I get the keywords? It's basically I just come on Google. Okay, just go on Google. Okay, actually go over here on google.com. Just search Sonavel reviews. Once I'm over here, so literally a lot of people are promoting it. Okay, so yeah, Sonavel reviews. So I can copy all of this thing as well. Okay, so I got some keywords from here. Okay, so these are for Bing ads. So for Bing ads also I got it in a similar process where they showed me related search views, so I can just paste that as well over here. It's fine. Next thing is what we could do is go on keyword ideas. Again, whatever says reviews, I can download it as well. So this one says reviews. Okay, top of the page bid. So bidding, people are bidding, which means people are making money, right? So again, reviews for Sonavel. So I can find relevant keywords, paste it over here. So I use this tool called keyword match type tool. So it can automatically make your keywords for you. So phrase and exact and make a keyword list. Control A, Control C, paste it over here. Okay, now for the final URL, I would go to my website link. Okay, paste it over here. Same thing I would do. No, that's it. And then, sorry, I'm going too fast. And then I would say reviews. Okay, now for tracking, I'll go over here. Sorry, for tracking template you need to paste over here, but in this video I'm not gonna show you how to use a tracking template, because again I want to make it as simple as possible. I want you to start making money. Tracking comes further down the line when you want to optimize it, but you need to make first money. Again, everything is explained in my free course. The link is down below. It's completely free, so you can go and check it out. Again, now what do you write over here? Okay, literally they are recommending, but I would go on Google, literally cancel this again, something like just mix and match. Okay, copy this thing, paste it over here. I try to make 1 or 2 ads, but it's fine, you can do your own testing as well. Paste it over here. Again, you can try Sonavel 100% money back guarantee. Copy it, paste it, and then just paste it over here as well. And one more thing I would like to show you. Sorry, I'm clicking on this ad, but literally check out this ad. Okay, again the page is not even opening. Then go you to site home, and then you go over here. If you click over here, okay, so literally my website is much better than this website, right? My website looks much better. So again, this is much better as well, right? My website is, so I know I'm gonna make a sale. So yeah, this is the Google. Okay, let me go over here, open this thing. Okay, anyways, no worries. So what we have done is just pasted this over here, just do done. Next. Okay, set a custom bid. Next. Okay, so I would do like this, next, and that's it, guys. Again, site links and everything, you don't have to do it right now, you can do it later, and then just publish the campaign. And that's it, guys. This is how you can create ads and start making money. Now to my point, how much money did I make? So again, if you could see over here for Sonavel, I've made around $1,600. Again, it's very simple. And again, anyone can do it. Don't try with Sonavel, you can try different products with Clickbank, just go on Clickbank, check, and then you can just start promoting it. And I think so that's it for today's video. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And on my next video, okay, which will be next week, I'm gonna show you how you can make money with generic ads. So that's much more better as well. If the product does not allow brand bidding, you can use that one as well. I think so that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.